Hi guys, welcome to Creative KRISH. In this video, I am going to teach you the basics of HTML. First, we learn how to create a HTML document. To create a HTML document, first open your text editor. I am using the Sublime Text over here. Click on the File tab and click on the Save As option if you are creating a new HTML document. To save it, you can save it in your desired location with your desired name. I am saving it with my own name. Make sure you save it with the extension of HTML or HTML. You have the extension of HTML, then only the browser can understand this is a HTML document and can run your codes efficiently. Once you type the extension HTML, click on the Save option. Now your HTML document is created. Now we are going to type the basic HTML code. So this is the basic HTML code. We will be following this code to create any documents or web documents or design your documents. So this HTML code contains two main parts, that is the head and the body. The head contains the title information, header information and the heading parts, while the body contains main coding such as paragraphs, images, text carousel, image carousel, tables, etc., which I'll be teaching in my upcoming videos. So this is the basic HTML code. So now I'm going to type a title for my web page. You can give any title. I'm typing my title. Once you type your title, go to File and then Save. Now go to your web browser. To preview your HTML document, click on Ctrl+O in your web browser. Select your HTML document. So my document is krishna.html saved in desktop. So if you save it in other places, go to that, browse that place and then select the HTML document and then click on the Open option. You get your HTML document open. You can see that Creative KRISH in the tab of your web browser, which one we have given in the title of your web in the text editor. We can have the body empty as we have not typed any code in the body in the text editor. So body contains the main coding part as I have told, such as text, etc. So first I'll insert text. I'm going to insert text that this is an interesting video. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to the web browser and reloading it. You get that this is an interesting video over here. This is how you insert text in the body section. If it's a para, you need separate coding part. I'll discuss that in my upcoming videos. So now I have this is an interesting video here as I have typed it in the body section. Okay guys, learning HTML is easy. You can keep this document saved as we'll be using this document in the next videos also. So save this document and if you have any doubts you can comment below. Bye guys. Thank you.